Garmin Forerunner 955 arrived a month ago and boasts high-end multi-sport fitness features. Now, Garmin lovers are spoiled for choice because there are plenty of great options, including the high-end Fenix 7, so you might be thinking which one you should buy. There are many similarities between these two watches, but also have more than enough differences to make them appealing to different users. But the question is, can Forerunner 955 be as prominent as the Fenix 7? Let's find out in today's video. Starting with the design, when it comes to Garmin smartwatches, you'll find nothing but circular-shaped watches. The Forerunner 955 and Fenix 7 are no different. Both of them sport the same design as well as a touchscreen and 5 physical buttons. However, there is always a but. The Fenix 7 has more premium materials than the Forerunner 955. Even Fenix 7 comes with stainless steel and titanium chassis options, so you can pick whatever suits you. Whereas, the advantage of having Forerunner 955 is its lightweight design and a lower price tag because it has a fiber-reinforced polymer case. In terms of size options, Forerunner 955 only comes in one size, and on the other hand, you can pick between 3 different sizes of the Fenix 7. Moreover, both watches are robust and can take quite a beating. Also, they come with outstanding water resistance. The Forerunner 955 has 5 ATM and Fenix 7 has 10 ATM, meaning Fenix 7 is highly suitable for surfing or diving. But that does not mean you can't take the Forerunner 955 to swim. Now let's talk about fitness tracking and features. Both Forerunner 955 and Fenix 7 are similarly powerful, but Garmin introduced some new features with the Forerunner 955, which are training readiness, HRV status, and race widget. These new features arguably make the Garmin Forerunner 955 a more athlete-focused watch than the Fenix 7. However, Garmin might add these features to Fenix 7 sooner or later with a software update. With HRV status, the Forerunner 955 can track your all-day heart rate even while sleeping. Otherwise, every other feature looks identical to Fenix 7. Moreover, both smartwatches come with the latest Gen 4 Elevate heart rate sensor, PulseOx, thermometer, compass, and many more. They both even come with a barometer altimeter to let you measure altitude by calculating the location's air pressure. They have downloadable offline maps too, including Topo Active, Europe Maps, and more. Besides, you can stream music on both smartwatches without having your smartphone nearby. When it's all about the Garmin smartwatches, GPS accuracy is an important thing. Both Forerunner 955 and Fenix 7 have built-in GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, but Forerunner 955 has a multiband GPS which is now more accurate than before. Also, with this feature, you can get improved tracking where obtaining a satellite signal is quite challenging, though the Sapphire edition of Fenix 7 has this feature, which is a bit expensive. Coming to battery life, the Forerunner 955 can survive for up to 15 days in smartwatch mode, and with the solar mode, it can be extended for up to 20 days. While using it in GPS mode, this watch can run for up to 42 hours. On the other hand, the Fenix 7 can live for up to 18 days in smartwatch mode, and with GPS on it, it can be alive for up to 57 hours. So now the most important thing is the price, though it isn't much of a concern for Garmin users anyway. However, the Forerunner 955 is available at $499, and if you want a solar version, then you have to pay $100 extra. Whereas, the standard edition of Fenix 7 will cost you $699, and the 51mm Sapphire Solar Edition will cost you $999. With this price tag, you can easily buy 2 Forerunner 955s. In short, both Forerunner 955 and Fenix 7 have almost similar features except for some that are introduced in Forerunner 955. You can get training readiness, HRV status, and race widget exclusively on Forerunner 955. However, the Fenix 7 is more premium and durable but also expensive. So what do you think? Do you really want to spend more money to get almost similar features? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.